Hola amigos, hola amigas, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to Hoover. Bienvenido, croeso, assalamu alaikum everybody. I've got 3 packages here. It was quite lucky. I saw them 3 separate items on eBay, and they weren't very expensive, and they're all pretty much the same. So I'm going to start by opening this first one, which arrived. They're the tools, obviously, as you can see from the description. And I didn't have these tools, so I thought it would be a good idea to have them. There's some paperwork. Okay, from the seller. These are the instructions. These tools supplied may be of a new and improved design. First turn lock ring A anti-clockwise, then insert the extension tube or cleaning tool and lock by turning the ring clockwise, with a little description of the tools. Okay, so here's the first one. This is the tool set. Now, these don't match. These are in black. This is the pan converter. This hasn't been used. It was obviously bought with the set, but the actual pan converter is like brand new. It hasn't been used at all, and the seal is starting to come off. So I'll have to re-glue this little seal on there to seal it onto the vacuum cleaner, and a rubber protection for the floor. But even though this looks like new, this is black and this one is in brown, so this isn't the original. But that doesn't matter, because I have, and I've had for ages, these, which are the parts for it. So what I do is lock it in and then lock it on. There's the tool there. Now I happen to have 2 of them. So again, lock it in, twist it, oops. Now the tools are locked on with the pip fitting. So I have 2 extension ones and the pip fitting for it, so I knew these would come in handy one day. This is a black with the pip fitting, but this has been used, but this hasn't been used, so I think this is a bit of a mishmash of parts, to be honest. But I'm really glad that these tubes have now come into use, so I can use them. Lock it into place. This I'll keep as a spare, because it's a brown one if I ever come across another tool set that's brown. So that's one tool set. I'll pop that to one side. Next, we have another tool set. tape on to the actual box. Okay, there we go. So here we have tools for the U1912 vacuum cleaner. The box is a bit damaged. I don't want to damage the box anymore. Trying to work out how I can do this. Again, we have the same instructions. The tool supplied may be of a new and improved design. Exactly the same set, both. Now this one is a bit different because remove the packaging. This is exactly the same as the other one. It's like new. Again, this hasn't been used. I don't think many people actually bothered with the pan converter kits on it because they seem to be in really good condition. I'm going to pop this on. There we go. And this one's got a dusting brush. Fantastic. So, whereas with the other one didn't have any extension tubes at all, this one has got one. This is the long crevice tool which has been used. But as for the actual pan converter set, the pan converter definitely hasn't been used at all. Neither has the brush. There's some damage here, but the brush is like new. Absolutely like new. Okay, I'll put that to one side. I'll keep that original box. And last but not least, paperwork, bubble wrap. Never chuck away bubble wrap. Now this is in a fantastic box, and apparently these were never even used at all. Again, Hoover U1912. Again, the instructions. The secrets in the bag. Replacement packs available direct from Hoover in Bolton in Lancashire. Now this has been used. It's got another dusting brush which is in excellent condition. It's got that attachment, the upholstery attachment. A bag which would have contained, so this fits all the turbo power vacuum cleaners, Turbo Masters. A plug. I think the person who bought the vacuum cleaner put all the bits for the vacuum cleaner in here and hardly used the tools. Extra protection for your appliance with Hoover cover. I don't think I'll be joining. High filtration vacuum cleaner bags to buy more. Bolton. Hoover registration department, Tunbridge Wells in Kent. Don't think I'll be sending that off. And that's it. And again, the pan converter is a bit... This has been used. I can see there's some dust on it, but not much at all. There we go. Lovely dusting brush. Like new. And the upholstery tool. So like I said, I didn't pay much for these. I didn't have any of these kinds of pan converter tool sets, so it's quite nice to have it, or to have the 3 in the collection. I'll pop all this paperwork. We've even kept a thing of the plug. So it's nice to have these sets. All 3 of them. I have a number of Turbo Masters and parts. So yeah, it's quite good to have these 3 sets to use. Well, not to use really, but to have to keep. I'm quite pleased with that. I shall pop these tools on them, and I shall use them and put them on display with the rest of the vacuum cleaners. So this is a very short one today, just to show you these attachment tools before they become very rare and disappear completely. I thought I'd better grab a couple while they were being sold in good condition and for a good price. So there we go. I'm pleased with them. Not bad at all. Very, very happy with that. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, comment. I do this for fun. I enjoy restoring vacuum cleaners and looking, reviewing other gadgets. Thank you for watching.